In this instructional video, I will demonstrate the process of removing the background of an image using CapCut. This technique is essential for enhancing the visual appeal and professionalism of your videos. By isolating the subject, you can create a more focused and engaging visual that draws attention to key elements. To begin, open CapCut. Tap on the drop-down menu to show more options, and select the Remove Background option. Choose the image you want to edit and tap on the Add button to initiate the automatic background removal process. You can then manually refine the selection by specifying what should be removed or retained. Once you are satisfied with the result, tap on the Export button to save the edited image to your gallery. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below.